So in this video, I'm going to explain how the Klarna refund process actually works. So when you buy something on Klarna, Klarna pays the store upfront, okay, and then you repay Klarna in installments or later. So that's how it normally works. So if you return or cancel an item once you made a purchase, what happens? The store refunds Klarna first, and Klarna then updates your payment plan and then sends money back to you. So the refund usually does not go directly from the store to your bank first. It goes through the Klarna system. So what happens here? Okay. So usually if you when you like return a product, so when you cancel a product, or once like you have already initiated a refund, so you don't want the product, you want to refund it. So usually what happens is go to on your Klarna app. So once you're on your Klarna, here go to the payment section. Here in the payment section you will see there is an option called refunds and returns. Tap on it. So here what I would suggest you to do is, if you want to make a return, okay, so click on this report return option here. So there's a feature here called report a return. So tap on it and then report your items. So the whatever the purchase, if you have any return screenshots like home or any receipt, so any proof, if you have it, report everything into this section here. If you do that, this will actually guarantee use, like it will let the Klarna knows that you have returned an item. And what happens is that if you have paid, like let's say like a part of the payment, like let's say the first installment, then Klarna first reduces or cancels the remaining installments. So any extra amounts will get refunded to your original payment method. So it's always, I will suggest you to report it. So go to this section, click on report return, and then report it. And usually the merchant process the return between 1 to 7 days, and Klarna processing after receiving the refund is usually another 1 to 5 business days. So realistically, like you will see the refund in around 5 to 14 days. So just wait for that, and then you will do then you can see your refund. So it will be directly sent to your bank account or your original payment method, however you made the payment. And that's pretty much how it works.